Where you from?
I'm from Spaniards.
Are you Spaniel?
I'm Spaniard. I'm Cocker Spaniard.
Hola, kumusta?
Tikero, Orlando.
Hiro Lorito.
So namin sa bawa sa may dapit eh. Sa kanya abot naman eh.
At the beach right now.
Asa to dapit ron Mac?
Hello guys, we're at Pitugo right now and we're going to Sikihor.
Nami plano. Musa kami atong bukid ah. Nice ka. Kaman si Tanner James. Oh, may malig mag-vlog Mac no? Taman man kuan, tanan man pwede mag-vlog kay. Ang pag-vlog, makawa po na siya sa problema.
Bisag si
Ito mo to sa mga
kato si Daboy na problema, tapos Daboy gabi kay
mga ginikanan, nga wiling sa ilaha. Sa po na nga makapalingan nila. Sagdira sila niya. Support. Hashtag content monetization.
Hashtag content monetization guys.
Almost there.
We're so close.
But, tagalawa sa tamagyan eh.
If we just keep on walking, we'll find the port.
Play Minecraft right now.
Creative or survival?
Survival. Ooh. Naika, karaan.
Hey, bro.
The house.
Oh, that.
I know what the story of this house.
I think Queen Elizabeth used to live here.
Yes, maybe.
I can smell the rotten pussy.
Tama. Quack. This one?
Yes. We just put it out there.
No.
No? Bad idea?
Bad idea. Dagon mag isla mak.
Good thing I have look.
May ano na ni. May kato da sa gig bukid. Kuya kayo daping dagat ara guys gi. Ay kayo mga bato. Man may kita asa agi pa dong atong bukira ani ram sa boss. Pero view kayo. Kaya view kan. Happy New Year. Wow. Look at that, daddy.
Where are you from, guys?
Huh?
Where are you from?
I'm from United States of Kalawasan. How about you?
United States of Africa.
Ooh.
Where are you from, dude?
Where you from, dude?
Dude.
Where you from?
United States.
I'm from Spaniards.
Are you Spaniel?
I'm Spaniard. I'm Cocker Spaniard.
Hola, kumusta?
Tikero, Orlando.
Hiro Lorito. ¿Dónde está la mota?
Picnero de Lorito.
Oh, magkaka-video.
Pwede.
May ko na naman quick. But I'm a creep.
If I do 3 skips, you guys both have to blow me.
I wish I was special.
That's
So
4.
very fucking very special. Era idol si ko ani si Bam.
I don't know si Bam guys.
Si Bam. Oh. Big dude. Big dude gano'n, absan ako. Gym na ko balik eh. Man! Oh, edit!
You look like retards running.
There's a handle.
Knife.
Dude, no, that's where
Bro.
like the tip.
That's
Bro,
not a
there's-
dildo.
Look
That's
at that.
not a
That's
dildo?
Yes.
that's a fucking steel, dude. What the fuck are you doing?
That would fucking hurt.
Ni Queen Elizabeth guys.
It's Queen Elizabeth's dildo.
Made from wood.
I don't believe it, bro.
Bro, this is a fucking machete.
Oh, may nagsundang.
That's not a machete. Look at it. Look
Bro,
at the
this-
size. A machete, bro, would be a way different size. This is
No, no.
penis size.
No,
But bring that to America and sell.
No, it's dildo. It's for sure dildo.
Try it. So you can
fuck
tell it.
dildo, wood.